Honorable Speaker, Madam, I join the Leader of the House in extending my profound grief on the sad demise of late Samir Dey, ex-minister, late Dhaneshwar Maji, ex-member, late Makkar Dwaj Pradhan, ex-member, late Niranjan Pradhan, ex-member, late Utkal Kesri Parada, ex-member, and late Purna Chandra Maji, ex-member. Late Samir Dey, ex-minister, was elected to the Odisha Legislative Assembly from Cuttack City Assembly constituency 3 times. He was in my cabinet from 2000 to 2009, holding important portfolios like urban development, public grievances, and pension administration and higher education. Late Dhaneshwar Maji, ex-member, was elected to the Odisha Legislative Assembly from Narla Assembly constituency thrice and from Kesinga Assembly constituency twice. He was also elected to the Rajya Sabha in 1978. Late Makkar Dwaj Pradhan, ex-member, was elected to the Odisha Legislative Assembly from Ambhavana Mura Assembly constituency in 1952. Late Niranjan Pradhan, ex-member, was elected to the Odisha Legislative Assembly from Kodala Assembly constituency in 2004 and from Pulsara Assembly constituency in 2009. The late Utkal Kesri Parada, ex-member, was elected to the Odisha Legislative Assembly from Kendrapada Assembly constituency in 2004. Late Purna Chandra Maji, ex-member, was elected to the Odisha Legislative Assembly from Lakshmipur Assembly constituency in 2007. Madam, the sad demise of the ex-minister and the ex-members of this august House is a great loss to the state and to their families. I therefore request you, Madam, to kindly convey our sincere condolences to the members of the bereaved families. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, Madam.